Hello traders, this is Riddhi from the Phi 1 team. In this video, we are going to illustrate a strategy using the MACD and stochastic indicators. Now, if you've gone through our previous videos, you would know that we've given you detailed explanations of both these indicators. Let's go through them quickly on an actual chart of Reliance. Now, as you can see, we've already plotted the stochastic indicator with the K, that is the blue line, and the orange line, which is the D line. And we've also plotted the MACD with the signal line, the MACD line and the histogram. Now you may already know that the stochastic indicator is usually used for a crossover strategy where the K line, that's the faster line, crosses over the D line, the blue line crossing over the red line in this case, which indicates a buy signal, and the MACD histogram here turning positive, which means that the blue line, the MACD line, crosses over the orange line, that's the signal line. Basically the histogram value is determined by the difference between the MACD line and signal line. So when they cross and it becomes positive, that's above 0, the histogram is going to show you a green section like this, and this indicates a trend reversal into a bullish trend from here to here, and this may be a signal to buy. We're using this to confirm our stochastic indicator signal here. So we enter a trade here. Our exit condition would be when the histogram turns negative, that is when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, as in this case. So we enter somewhere around here and we exit over here. Now we can make our condition more stringent by ensuring that the crossover for the stochastic indicator happens in the oversold region, that is somewhere below 20 or somewhere where the trend is strong, which is when it's just crossed above 20 and going upwards. Let's go to Phi 1 core and try this strategy. Log on to Phi 1 core and go to strategies, click create strategy. Now this is going to make your job very simple. This is a template based strategy creator with 120 plus technical indicators. You can also choose to put unlimited entry and exit conditions, and you don't need to know any code. All you need to do is fill up this form with all your details. Let's begin by adding some scripts. Alright, now you can select a time interval between 1 minute to 1 month. I am choosing the 1 hour interval. The position we are taking is a buy. Enter the quantity that you want to buy if your entry condition is met. Your entry condition is that your stochastic K line, percent K line, should cross above the stochastic D line. Confirmed with, of course, the value of the stochastic indicator needs to be above 20 and confirmed by the MACD histogram being greater than 0. This also means that the MACD line should be greater than the signal line, should cross above the signal line. Now my exit condition, I am only going to add my MACD histogram going below 0, which enters a negative trend. You can also make this strategy stronger and more stringent by adding a condition with the stochastic indicator being in the overbought region or with the K line crossing below the D line. I'm going to add a stop loss here like with every strategy, just to make sure that your losses are limited in case your strategy does not work well. Now I'm going to just choose a backtest period for the last 1 year. And name the strategy. click save and backtest. Got our backtest results. It looks like we have a decent win rate with ITC and Reliance and also a good PNL number. With Infosys and Yes Bank, I am not quite happy with the backtest results. Nevertheless, if this is for one particular backtest period, we urge you to try out and backtest the strategy with more historical periods so that you can avoid any biases when it comes to the results of your tests. So I'm going to go back by clicking edit and remove the scripts that I'm not keen on going forward with, keeping all else same. Okay, next I'm going to click deploy all. Here you have two options, paper trading and taking the strategy live. Always paper trade your strategy before you take it live to check how it will do in the real environment without using actual money. This is basically a zero risk test and it will help you know how your strategy is going to perform in the real live environment. After you're done with the paper trading and are okay with the results, you can click take live and select a broker of your choice, finally clicking take live. Selecting this option is going to ensure that your strategy will be executed automatically if your entry and exit conditions are met. This is how Phi 1 Core can actually end-to-end automate your strategy without you having stayed glued to the screen. Now if you go to the dashboard, you will see that there's a discover section where there are many such strategies like the one we just illustrated. If you want to try out the strategy we illustrated or any of these strategies, which by the way are completely customizable, you can always click the link in the description below and take a free trial. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to our channel for many more such videos. Thank you and happy trading.